Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Homeopathy Care. Myself Dr. Jyoti. Today we will discuss about pernicious anemia. Pernicious anemia is the chronic illness caused by impaired absorption of vitamin B12 because of lack of intrinsic factor in gastric secretion. Our secretion cease owing the atrophy of the gastric mucosa, and decrease the development of RBC or decrease the RBC that occur when the body cannot properly absorb vitamin B12 from the GIT. It is necessary for the proper development of RBC. And pernicious anemia is deficiency of RBC caused by lack of vitamin B12 in the blood due to lack of substances known as intrinsic factor produced by stomach lining. The most common cause of pernicious anemia is the loss of stomach cells that make intrinsic factor. Intrinsic factor help the intestine. The loss of parietal cells may be due to destructions of the body on immune system. Pernicious anemia can cause permanent damage to the nerve and other organs. It goes on for a long time without being treated. It is also risk for developing stomach cancer. It is considered an autoimmune disease in the body. The average age at presentation is 60 years, but rarely can be seen in children under 10 years of age. Juvenile pernicious anemia. Pathogenesis. The incidence is high, and other autoimmune disease such as Graves' disease and myxoedema and thyroiditis, vitiligo, diabetes mellitus, idiopathic adrenocortical insufficiency. With patient with pernicious anemia have abnormal circulating autoantibodies such as anti-parietal cell antibody 90% cases and anti-intrinsic factor antibodies in 50% cases. Cortical steroids have been cured the disease both pathological and clinical. More common in patients with gamma globulinemia, supporting the role of cellular immune system in destructions of parietal cells. Morphological features. Pernicious anemia is gastric atrophy affecting the acid and pepsin secreting portions of the stomach and sparing the antrum. Gastric epithelium may show cellular atypia. About 2-3% of cases pernicious anemia develop cancer of the stomach. Other pathological changes are secondary to vitamin B12 deficiency, neurological abnormalities such as peripheral neuropathy and spinal cord damage. And clinical features. The disease has insidious onset and progressive slowly. Anemia has presented glossitis, neurological abnormalities like neuropathy, subacute combined degenerations of the spinal cord, retrobulbar neuritis, and GIT symptoms are manifested like diarrhea and anorexia, weight loss, dyspepsia, and hepatosplenomegaly, chronic heart failure, and hemorrhagic manifestations, and other autoimmune disease such as autoimmune and thyroiditis may be are associated. Principal treatment of pernicious anemia. Parenteral vitamin B12 replacement therapy is most important treatment, and other important treatment are symptomatic and supportive therapy such as like physiotherapy for neurological deficient and occasionally blood transfusion. Follow up the early detections of cancer of the stomach, and most of the abnormality due to vitamin B12 deficiency can be corrected except irreversible damage of the spinal cord. And then corticosteroid therapy can be improved the gastric lesion. So much for watching my video.